In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use vertical lines and horizontal rays in TradingView. These two simple tools make it easy to mark time-based events and precise price levels, so your analysis stays clear and actionable. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. Make sure you are on the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. Then give yourself a little room to work by zooming to a comfortable view. First, let's add a vertical line. A vertical line is perfect for highlighting specific moments in time. Think session opens, market closes, or major news releases. On the left toolbar, click the trendline tool icon to open its menu, and choose vertical line. Move your cursor to the exact time you want to mark and click once to place it. The line drops straight through the chart so you can quickly scan how price and indicators behaved before and after that moment. If you need to refine it, click and drag the line along the time axis to reposition. Right-click the line to customize it. Change the color and thickness to make it stand out, and add a text label such as breakout or news event, so you always remember why it's there. Consistent colors and labels help you spot patterns faster across multiple charts. Next, let's use a horizontal ray. A horizontal ray marks a single price level and extends indefinitely to the right, which keeps your chart focused on what matters now without clutter from older candles. Open the same trendline tool menu and select horizontal ray. Click directly on the price you want to track, maybe a recent swing high, a support shelf, or the level where a breakout began. The ray starts at that point and projects forward, making it ideal for support and resistance that only matters from that point onward. You can drag the endpoint to fine-tune the level, and right-click to customize color, thickness, and a brief label, so the purpose of the line is always clear. Pick colors that differentiate strong levels from minor ones, to keep your visual hierarchy clean. Use vertical lines to anchor key times and horizontal rays to track consequential prices. Together, they create a timeline and a roadmap, helping you react with confidence as new candles print. That's all you need to start marking time and price like a pro. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.